The headlines say it all. As uncertainty grew about having an event as big as the India Premier League coinciding with national elections, everyone had an opinion. But it's not just about cricket. IPL supports a host of industries in these financially troubled times. There are no more matches in Delhi now. Good for security, but not that good for the economy.
I think IPL brings a lot of things to India. It makes your summer vacations extremely exciting. It brings people out of their homes. I think it connects people. I think it's the only tournament that exists in the world where today we jeer and abuse Indian cricketers and rejoice for foreign cricketers. So I think it's the game that's winning.
But there are those who are not winning because of the change in venue, like Vicky Suri, who is doing the merchandising for Delhi Daredevils.
We have a lot of investment running across in our merchandise. We have a big plan going for Delhi Daredevils, and there's no, of course, it's going to hurt us because the fever is in the city. We're a regional team. We're a Delhi team. So if it's not happening in Delhi, that makes our the fever go down a bit. I mean, we were expecting a lot of sales at the stadium, and Delhi being the home ground, I think that's definitely going to affect us quite strongly.
Stadium woes are also affecting private company 24 Secure, which was training to provide additional security in Delhi.
इवेंट पे ध्यान दें ताकि बेटर लोगों को दिखा सकें और हम उनको सिक्योरिटी देना उस तरफ से बेचिंत हो जाए, इसीलिए सिक्योरिटी का मकसद रहता है. जब हम घर से भी निकलते हैं तो इस ताले को 2 बार चेक करते हैं, ठीक है ना.
Private security is also allowing younger and older people to leverage their strength and experience for better jobs. Cancelling mega events stops their growth.
That's winning. And if we continue to cancel tournaments in the threat of fear, then I think we're sending out the wrong signal. And I don't think that should be the case in any case.
I mean, we're running the Delhi Daredevils program in excess of 3.5 crores. And that would mean 50% stadium sales would be about 1.75. And if that breaks down to a level of, say, about 20-30%, that would mean a lot of loss that we'd have to recover or we'd have to kind of find backup solutions for.
It's a lesson not to let opportunities like the IPL drive right by us.